Okay, so today we have to learn a Playfair cipher. Playfair cipher is also called as a Playfair square because in this the first step is to develop a square of the key matrix. So in this algorithm we will be given one key and one plain text. Using the key we have to develop first the key matrix, and based on that key matrix we have to do the encryption on the given plain text. So this algorithm is basically divided into two parts. The first part is the creation and population of key matrix, and second thing is we have to pairwise we have to do the groups. We have to create the pair of two letters from the given uh, plain text. So the plain text is encrypted two letters at a time. We have to break the plain text into pair of two consecutive letters. The rule here we have to remember is that if in a single pair, if we will get two same letters, then we have to fill it with the filler like X. Means we have to do padding. If the same letters came in the single pair, then we have to change the second letter with the filler. So here one example is also given. See the balloon. So the first pair is BA, second pair is LL. But see the LL is the same letter. So for the second occurrence we have to fill it with X. So दूसरा जो L है उसकी जगह क्या आ जाएगा X. So the second L will be shifted one place left right side by one position. So the new pair will become like this: LX, then LO, and the last one is ON. So by this way we have to do the pairing. After the pairs will be created, we have to look the characters of pair in a key matrix. Here there are three rules that we have to consider to see to look into the key matrix. First one is that we have to see that if both the letters of the pair comes in a single row or not. If both the letters are in a single row, then we have to take the adjacent right letter to as a cipher character for the current character. ठीक है. If the adjacent letter is not there, that means the last character is there in the row, then we have to consider the first character of that row as the next character of the current character. By the same way, if the pair both the characters falls in a single column, then we have to take the below character as a cipher character. And the third case is that if both the characters form a diagonal, which means they are not in the same row as well as they are not in the same column, then the cipher character will take place for by looking at the row of the first character and the column of the second character. We will see it by example so that it will be easable to remember. So here we will take the first example. The key is equals to tall trees and key sorry plain text is equals to tall trees and key is equals to occurrence. So I am sharing the whiteboard. Okay, so Playfair cipher. So we know that the first step is to create the key matrix. Okay, so here I am doing the matrix. The matrix is of 5 cross 5. Okay, so we have the example is we are given plain text is equals to tall trees and key is equals to occurrence. So we have to put the character by character in the key matrix. So here we are given the key is O double C U double R E N C E. So we have to fill it in the key matrix. So first one is O, second is C, C, again C. So there is no need to repeat the character. So we have to consider only a single occurrence. So we will consider only one occurrence of C. The next is U, next is R, again R, so neglect it, do not consider it again. Next is E, then N, again C, so there is no need to consider again E, so there is no need to consider it. Okay, so now the rest of the cells will be filled by the remaining letters of A to Z. So A is remaining, so A, B is remaining, C is already there, so directly D, E is there, so F, next is G, H. Now we have to remember this thing, whenever I will come, J is also share the same cell of the key matrix. The reason behind this is that the occurrence or the frequency of I and J is similar in a number of words in English language. So always I and J will share the common cell in key matrix. We will consider either I or J, there is no issue. Ij, then K, L, M, N is there, so O is also there. Uh, so P, then Q, R is also there, so S, T, U is there, so V, then W, X, Y, and Z. If you do properly, then Z will always comes in the last cell. अगर Z last cell में आपको मिल जाता है, then you will be sure that there is not any mistake in your key matrix. Now this is step 1. इसको हम बोलते थे key matrix. ठीक है, इसको हम बोलते हैं step 1. अब हमारा सेकंड स्टेप क्या है? स्टेप 2. We have to do the pairing of our plain text. So our plain text is tall tree. So the first pair will be TA. Second pair will be double N. ठीक है ना? But we have to remember that if the same letter comes in the single pair, then we have to fill or we have to pair it with a filler like X. तो एक पेयर हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? L X. डबल L की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? L X. So the next is L and T. The next is R E, and the last one is E and S. So this is the second step. We have to do the pairing of the given plain text. Now we have to see the position of each letter of each pair. So the first pair is TA. हमारी first pair क्या है? TA. So we have to see that where is the T and where is the A. So see, T is here and A is here. So we can say that both the characters are not in a single row as well as they are not in a single column. So they are forming a diagonal. A diagonal बन रहा है, ठीक है. So when diagonal will be formed by the two letters of a given pair, then we have to consider the row of the first character and column of the second character. तो टी की जगह मुझे उसका साइफर कैरेक्टर चाहिए, तो मुझे क्या करना है, टी की रो देखनी है लाइक दिस और ए वाला कॉलम देखना है लाइक दिस, ठीक है. इस तरह से दिखेगा मुझे. और दोनों जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, दैट कैरेक्टर विल बिकम द साइफर कैरेक्टर फॉर द गिवन प्लेन टेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर. तो टी की जगह क्या मिला मुझे, पी. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? टी की जगह मुझे क्या मिला, पी. बाय द सेम वे ए के लिए मुझे देखना है, तो ए के लिए क्या आएगा, द रो ऑफ द ए एंड कॉलम ऑफ द टी. तो दोनों कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा, एफ में. तो ए की जगह मुझे क्या मिलेगा, एफ. बाय द सेम वे एल एंड एक्स. एल कहाँ पे है, एल इज हियर. एक्स कहाँ पे है, एक्स इज हियर. अगेन अ डायगोनल केस. सो वी हैव टू सी एल की जगह क्या मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, एल का रो और एक्स का कॉलम. कहाँ पे मिल रहा है मुझे, आई में. हियर यू कैन कंसिडर आइदर आई और जे. देयर इज नो इशू बिकॉज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ बोथ कैरेक्टर आर सेम. वी कैन कंसिडर आइदर आई और जे. अब एक्स के लिए एक्स की रो, ए का एल का कॉलम. तो कहाँ पे मुझे मिल रहा है, जेड पे. तो x की जगह मुझे क्या मिलेगा, z. बाय द सेम वे थर्ड पेयर इज एल टी. तो l कहाँ पे मेरा, l यहाँ पे है और t यहाँ पे है, c. दिस इज द केस ऑफ सेम कॉलम. सो if both the characters falls in the same column, then the cipher characters will be the character just below the plain text character. तो L के नीचे कौन है, T. तो T will be the cipher character of L and T की जगह क्या आ जाएगा, Z, क्योंकि T के नीचे क्या है, Z. Here you can also see that L के लिए पहले मुझे क्या मिल रहा था, I मिल रहा था, लेकिन इस केस में क्या मिल रहा है, T मिल रहा है. बाय द सेम वे T के लिए यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है, Z मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे T की जगह मुझे T मिल रहा है. So Playfair cipher is a type of cipher in which you will see that different cipher characters for different pairing. पेयर बदल जाएगा तो उसका साइफर कैरेक्टर भी बदल जाएगा. While when we have seen the Caesar cipher, we have got that the same character for each occurrence of the single character. अगर उसमें 3 बार Z आ रहा है तो Z के रिलेटेड जो भी कैरेक्टर मिलेगा वो तीनों बार सेम ही मिलेगा. बट इन Playfair cipher will get different character for different pairing. ठीक है. उसी तरह हम देख लेते हैं कि ए आर ई में क्या मिल रहा है हमें. ठीक है, तो एक है आर और दूसरा है ई. तो देखो आर यहाँ पे है, ई यहाँ पे है. दिस इज द केस ऑफ सिंगल रो. सो when there is a single row, then the right character of the plain text character will be the cipher character for that plain text character. तो R की राइट में क्या है, R की राइट में है E. So E will be the cipher character for R. Now E की लेफ्ट में क्या है, E की लेफ्ट में कुछ नहीं है, but we have to consider each row as a circular cube. By the same way each column as a circular columns. सो ई की जगह मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ई के नेक्स्ट में क्या आएगा, ओ. सो ओ विल बी दी साइफर कैरेक्टर फॉर ई. द लास्ट वन, ई एंड एस. तो ई देखो, ई कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है ई, और एस कहाँ पे है, एस इज हियर. So this is the case of diagonal. So we have to see the row of E and column of S. तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, R. E की जगह मुझे मिलेगा R, और S के लिए क्या मिलेगा, S की रो, E का कॉलम, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, T. So this is the, ये हमारा था प्लेन टेक्स्ट, और उसके रिलेटेड मुझे ये मिला मेरा साइफर टेक्स्ट यूजिंग दी प्लेफेयर साइफर. सो अगेन मैं रिवाइंड करवाता हूँ कि प्लेफेयर साइफर में हमको क्या करना है. वी विल बी गिवन प्लेन टेक्स्ट एज वेल एज की. यूजिंग द की वी हैव टू क्रिएट द की मैट्रिक्स इन अ स्टेप 1. To create the key matrix we have to fill the cells of key matrix using the key given. We have to consider only a single occurrence of each letter in the key. The remaining cell we have to fill by the remaining letters of alphabets A to Z. Here one thing we have to remember that whenever I is there we have to fill it with J, because I and J have the same frequency and they will share the common shell. After a key matrix is formed we have to pair the गिवन प्लेन टेक्स्ट. दो दो के पेयर बनाने हैं हर एक वर्ड के, हर एक लेटर के. इफ वी फाइंड दैट द सेम लेटर्स फॉल इन अ सिंगल पेयर वी हैव टू पेयर इट विथ अ फिलर लाइक एक्स. अगर दो लेटर सेम आ रहे हैं पेयर में तो हमको क्या करना है, एक्स से पेयरिंग कर देना है दूसरे लेटर की जगह. नाउ आफ्टर completion of pairing we have to see each pair in the key matrix. Now again we have to follow the three rules. The first one is that if the two letters of the given pair falls in a single row, if they are in the single row then we have to see the character which is in the right of the given character. Second case is that we have to see that if both the letters fall in a single column, अगर एक ही कॉलम में आते हैं then we have to use the below character of the given character. The third case is अगर दोनों सेम रो में नहीं है, सेम कॉलम में नहीं है, then the third case will be they must be in a diagonal. If both the letters are in diagonal, that means we have to see the row of the first character and column of the second character. And whenever in whichever cell it intersect, we have to consider that character as a cipher character. And by this way we can apply the Playfair algorithm for the encryption. So this is all about Playfair ciphers.